If you suffer from seasonal affective disorder and you're looking for things that you can try to do to help, or you want to try and eat over 30 different plants a week to improve gut health and mental health, or you're just looking for new and exciting, delicious recipes, then boy, do I have some good news for you, because my new cookbook just came out. So exciting. But first, if you're new to my channel, then a little bit more about me. My name is Felicity Vincent. I come from Bordeaux in France, and I went to study cooking at the Cordon Bleu in Paris because I just love food. And that allowed me to work as a chef in a few restaurants before I realized that I was also really interested with how food works and how it interacts with our body, which is why I went to study food science and nutrition at university and moved to the UK. And from there, I was able to combine my passions, cooking and eating, and the role food has on our mental health, to create my brand Spoonful of Felicity, where I aim to help everyone love vegetables as much as I do. And that's where my cookbook comes in. It's a practical guide to eating well through the seasons, and I'm so excited. I really hope you give it a go and let me know what you think. Basically, it's called Seasonal Mood Food, Easy Everyday Recipes and Fun Facts, and it's full of details on how food interacts with our mental health, and also lots of recipes designed to boost your mood. And I've made it super easy for you to try. It's got a 2-week meal plan and shopping lists already in there. You can look forward to recipes like my 5-bean quesadillas, parsley pesto pasta, or my speedy chicken pie. You can find lots more details in the description of this video, or you can head straight to Amazon to order it. It's available as an ebook or as a paperback. And just don't miss out on all autumn has to offer. Tuck in, and I hope you enjoy. Fancy the look of these recipes? Then get your copy now from Amazon, starting at only $3.99.